Yo, 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 what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. We are doing an update on the S&P 500. So let's take a look. Last time we did an analysis, it made a high at 42.11. It did come back and retest that price. It came down a little bit here, came back up, stayed in the resistance area, consolidated for a little bit, came down and seen this price that we spoke of. Got in the buy zone, the supply and demand zone, and shot off like a rocket and made a new high. That was profit that would be made right there. That was profit to be made. The high was at 42.38. 97 pips to be made from this target to this target. Or you could have rolled it all the way out to start coming down. It's on you to decide how to trade this thing. If you're want to demo trade that. But excuse me, y'all. We end up coming down, end up coming back down, consolidated a lot of this in here again, and pushed further down. Came back to the resistance level, broke up, came back to resistance level, broke, got close to it, didn't break it. Came back down to the support here, pushed higher again, and we currently stand here. All right, we got a gravestone doji here, guys, and a regular doji, so we have price indecision here. So we're gonna have just do another markup here, and we can go with analysis on what's gonna happen here. So we'll remove that. Make the new high 42.38.25. All right, that's that. Put previous high here at 42.11. There it is. All right, we'll move this trend line. We have a trend line break here. So this right now, that's just let you know right now, market's moving sideways. Market's moving sideways right now because it broke that trend line there. All right, so I'm gonna move these here. All right, change this support level here. I'm gonna drop the support down to this level here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just drop this one here. Hold down that price. That is where that low was at. 40.29.25. I just holding that support. Put a minor resistance level, minor support level here. Previous support here. All right, we have a bit of an upside movement here. Let's adjust this a little more. All right. So we got new supply demand zone here. High. So I think sellers may be entering the market here. Push the market down. Sellers. Short sellers, the institutional sellers. Maybe some retail sellers. Let's see how far we're going to push down here. Take a look here. Take a look on the higher time frames real quick. Major support level here. All right. Let's check out and see what's going on here. We got it looks like that's a bearish pin bar there. It's a bearish pin bar there on that candlestick pattern right here. So we definitely, more than likely, this thing is going to break this trend line and move to the downside. I'm expecting maybe one level of resistance here. It could be here. Could slow it down a little. So we'll put this here. So I'm looking for this market to push through this support level right here, all the way to this area here. It may consolidate here for a little bit to push down more. It may not make it to this supply zone here. It may not, but we'll make this a small area. Supply and demand. Be a small area. Might go here and make it bounce, or it may go here, bounce and push down a little bit more, then come back up. See if it's gonna try to break out. We'll put a price target. If it breaks this high, that's if. That's a big if, guys. It might trade down. We'll see if the bull state remains the same. All right, guys. That's it. So we have a price target here, push down, right through here, come up through here, maybe push down here, and push to the upside, or it may just push down here and then shoot back up. We know this thing is going to come down. I know that for sure. It'll come down first, and then possibly go higher. Or it may just reach this level here, create a new higher low, and then push higher. We'll see how it goes. But that's the analysis, guys, and the update. Alex Jenkins checking out.